I am Mangal sir, Sanmim Convent School, Buxar. I am going to explain electric potential and potential difference in this segment. Let us see. Electric potential. What is electric potential? Actually, electric potential is the work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to a point in a magnetic field. Let us see. Suppose it is a magnetic field and there is a point P, and from here a positive charge is brought to here. Then what will be the magnitude of the work done to bring this charge from here to here in a magnetic field? That will be equal to the electric potential of the point P, because point P is in a magnetic field. But potential difference in an electric circuit is slightly different. Actually, potential difference in an electric circuit is the work done to move some charge from one point to another. In here, it is from A to B. In an electric circuit, it is known as the potential difference between 2 points. In an electric circuit, some charges are brought from one point to another point, and what will be the work done in order to bring from one point to another point? That will be equal to the potential difference between the 2 points, between here or between A and B. Clear? Work done to move some charges from one point to another in an electric circuit is known as potential difference between 2 points. If suppose work W is done to move Q charge from one point to another point, then potential difference between 2 points will be calculated by V is equal to W upon Q, where W is the work and Q is the charge. Then what will be the SI unit of potential difference? The SI unit of work is Joule and SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Therefore, the SI unit of potential difference will be Joule per Coulomb, but it is known as volt and denoted by V, capital V. If we have to define 1 volt, then how will we define? Let us see. The work is 1 Joule and charge is 1 Coulomb. Then it will be 1 volt. Means it can be written as, if 1 Joule work is done to move 1 Coulomb charge from one point to another point in an electric circuit, then potential difference between 2 points will be of 1 volt. This is the definition of 1 volt. I have already told in the first segment that the potential difference is measured by an instrument known as the voltmeter. This voltmeter is always connected in the parallel to the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. Potential difference is measured by an instrument known as voltmeter. It is always connected in parallel to the points across which potential difference is to be measured. This is about the potential difference. The two things must be remembered. Then charge always flows from higher potency to lower potency, and in order to a continuous flow of charge, there must be a potential difference between the 2 points. So these are the two things. There must be a potential difference between the 2 points, and charge always flow from higher potency to lower potency. This is all about the potential difference. In the next segment, we shall read about the electricity, how it can be calculated electric current. Thank you.